Let us discuss fundamental operations on numbers and literals, that means numerical values. These are called constants, and literals, these are called variables. Okay, so the fundamental operations on numbers and literals. What are the numbers here? Let us consider some numbers like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, these are the different numbers. And literals, what are the literals? X, Y, Z, A, B, C, D, okay, and so on. These are the different types of literals. Okay, so what are the fundamental operations here? Here we have four fundamental operations. Those are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the four fundamental operations. Okay, so let us discuss these fundamental operations on these numbers and these literals. Okay, so consider addition. First one, addition. What are the literals here? Literals are x, y, z, and so on, a, b, c, d, and so on, and p, and so on. These are the different types of literals. And numbers 1, 2, 3, and so on. These are the different types of numbers. Now, how you will add these literals and numbers? How you will return these numbers? So, what are the different operations on these numbers? See, first one, consider the sum of p and 10 is written as p plus 10, and the sum of x and y is denoted as x plus y. Here the x is a literal and y is a literal, and here p is a literal and 10 is a constant, that is a number. Okay, so in this way we can denote the addition of literals and numericals. Okay, see, for any literals, like a, b, and c, we have the sum conditions. A plus b, if we add a plus b is equal to b plus a, and if we add a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a, and a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. These are the some statements. These are the some identities on literals. That is, if you add a plus b or b plus a, those are equal. And if you add 0 to a, or if you add a to 0, that is equal to a. In the same way, a plus b plus c or is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, these are the different identities on literals and numerals. Next, subtraction. Subtraction. The difference between x and y is the difference between 5 and 6 is, that is 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. This is the difference. That means subtraction on these two numerical values. And the same way, 7 less than x, it is denoted like this: x minus 7. X is a literal and 7 is a constant. It is x minus 7. And x less than y, it is denoted as y minus x. The difference between two literals. Okay, these are the different operations on literals and numerals. That is subtraction on numerals and literals. This is addition on numerals and literals. This is subtraction on numerals and literals. Numerical values and literals. Next, multiplication. Next operation is multiplication. See, consider the literals like x and y, and 1 2 3 like this. Okay, so first one is, see, this is operational literals and numericals, like 7 times 2, 8 times y is written as x into y, that is 8 into y, that is 8y. Okay, in the same way, the product of p and q is written as p into q, that is pq. Okay, this is the multiplication on two literals or two numerals or literals and numericals. Okay, this is the multiplication. And if you consider any numerals, any literals like this, then what are the identities, like what are the laws? A is equal to ba, and a into 0, and 0 into a, this is numeral and this is literal, that is equal to a into 0 0, 0 into a 0, that is equal to 0. Okay, next, a into b into c, that is equal to a into b into c, and a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. These are some laws on multiplication. These are the different laws on literals using multiplication. Next, division. Division. Consider 6 is divided by x. It is denoted by 6 by x. In the same way, x is divided by 6. It is denoted by x by 6. So it is division on literals and numericals. And the same, we consider two literals like x is divided by z. That is like this, x by z. Okay. In this way, we can operate the numbers and literals by using these fundamental operations. That is addition. We can add two numerals and two literals, two numericals and literals. Okay. This is the fundamental operations on numbers and literals.